Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys at my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we set guys default display size in our Oppo phone. Friends, we want to set guys your display default size of how can you set your display default size. Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see guys how can we set default display size. Open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see guys this person setting guys, tap here. Friends, click on guys your display size setting guys, tap here. So friends, you can see guys your display size, scroll it. You can see display size guys, your small size guys you want to set, and guys you want to set your default size. So you click on default size and guys apply from here. Friends, you can see guys your display size will default your normal display size guys, you can check from here guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to set display default size in Oppo phone. So that's it again, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.